Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double Yuga 49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 18 March Wednesday 2026. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 2, number 4, number 19, number 20, number 36, number 43. The lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 4, number 19, number 20, number 36, number 43. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 18, number 24, number 37, number 44, number 46, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 18, number 24, number 39, number 44, number 46, number 49. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers: number 8 and number 16, number 32, number 36. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 8, number 16, number 32, number 36. Now tea time prediction for Wednesday 18 March 2026. Today tea time single prediction numbers: number 7, number 10, number 18, number 32, number 36, number 45. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 7, number 10, number 18, number 32, number 36, number 45. Today tea time second prediction numbers: number 19, number 28, number 30, number 40, number 47, number 48. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 19, number 28, number 30, number 40, number 47, number 48. Today time bonus ball numbers: number 15, or number 22, or number 34, or number 39. Now tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 15, number 22, number 34, number 39. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. Friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please hi my